being with a guru or a spiritual master is not a question of loyalty, but it's a question of integrity.
Can a disciple have two masters? In case one is initiated by two spiritual masters, is it advised to stick to one way and one master, or practice what is taught by both of them? If I follow one master, then does it mean that I am being disrespectful to the other one who choose to initiate me on the path?
What is the difference between loyalty and integrity? Loyalty is coming from certain emotions that you have. Integrity means you are dedicated to the purpose for which you are there, any place. You are in some place, what is the purpose of that place? You are absolutely dedicated to that, you will not do something else there. You don't understand. Deviating from what is the purpose for which you are there is just a question of lack of integrity. Does it mean to say I should not do any of these things? Well, you must make a conscious decision, that's why you have come. To build a life around a spiritual center. It's okay with me. I'm not expecting everybody totally on fire. But you came here with fire and then compromised. That's a little bit of adjusting integrity. Loyalty is a different thing. Loyalty is not needed in this affair. If you are here and you've gone somewhere and you're struggling, please don't struggle, just dump me. And wherever you are, just do that. Because the very fact you've gone somewhere is in some way, for whatever reason, it did not work here. So you've gone somewhere. At least there you do well as long as you grow. What's my problem? Or if you were somewhere and now you're here and you're struggling here, dump the nonsense that you carried from elsewhere and do what you're required to do here. Because you can't be in this place and dig in that place, it doesn't work like that. Does it mean you're disrespectful to somebody? No. See, it's like this. You have a mother. Well, for some reason she passed on. Now your aunt is taking care of you, but you love your mother. But you must eat the food that your aunt serves. You cannot eat the food that your mother serves. It doesn't matter how much you cherish her, how much you love her, but you must eat your aunt's food. Otherwise you will not be nourished, as simple as that. This is not a very long life, it's a brief life. Handling all this rubbish, when will you get there? Settle it quickly, I have no issue. You can love me or hate me both ways, I have no issue, but settle it somehow and focus on what you need to do. But if you come from elsewhere to here, the same thing goes. You can have as much love and respect for anybody you want. I've been telling you, if you walk on the street, because I've seen people doing this, they'll be going like this. Suddenly somebody say, hey, Sadhguru, Sadhguru. I say, damn it, this is not going to work for you. This is not going to work for you that if you see Sadhguru, you're like this, otherwise you're like this. This is not going to work for you. No spiritual path is going to work for you like this. In some way, you must see the same quality in everybody, man, woman, child, donkey. I'm particularly picking the donkey. So do not bring such conflicts because it's a brief life. Maybe I should have been here. Don't do this. Once you leave a place, wherever the hell you go, make it work there at least. Just don't give up your striving, that's all that matters. When you give up your striving, I'm deeply disappointed with you. Yes, if you go away and your striving is intense, I don't care, it's okay with me. If you give up your striving, this is wasted life for you, wasted effort for me. Don't do that.